and peanut butter, powdered sugar, butter, vanilla extract, melted chocolate and a mixing bowl and a tray to keep our peanut butter balls. Let's get started. So let's take our mixing bowl. I'm going to mix them all up and I have taken 5 spoons each. By the way, this is no bake recipe. We are not going to use the stove. Now I'm going to put oats cereal first. So now let's be a dump truck. Next we are going to put the peanut butter. So now again we'll be a dump truck. You want to be a dump truck? Let's go! So sticky peanut butter. There, we got them. Dump, 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 dump. It's not getting out of the spoon. Let's take spoon from sugar and let's ask help. Now, let's put the sugar. Oh, should we be a dump truck? And dump, 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 dump. Add some butter. Vanilla extract. And now let's mix them all up. Let's combine them like this. Now I'm going to take smaller portions and put it in the tray. Let's take some small portions. Not too small, not too big. So we'll take the second portion. And now keep the tray in the fridge for 5 minutes. I've got the tray back. Our balls are not so round. I want to make them round. So let's make it. Let's drop the balls into the melted chocolate. One by one. We can't rush them. Let's take the fork. On the side for 5 minutes. Ta-da! My peanut butter balls are ready. Now for the taste test. I know you all are so ready. You want to taste these yummy peanut butter balls. So let's go. We got a peanut butter ball. So yummy. It looks like this inside. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See my chocolate